Have you ever tasted a sweetener with hints of bitter caramel and earthy smoke? It's not brown sugar, it's piloncillo, the cone-shaped sugar that has flavored Mexico for centuries. Today we break down exactly what this rustic staple is. Pronounced pilon, K-E-E-O. Piloncillo is technically an unrefined whole cane sugar, also known as papelon or panela. Unlike white sugar, that has been stripped of nutrients, this version retains the natural complexity of the plant. The production process is fascinating. Farmers boil down cane juice into a thick, crystalline syrup until it's ready to be poured into cone-shaped molds where it hardens. The name literally means pylon because of this specific conical shape. Chemically and flavor-wise, it is distinct. It offers an earthiness with a unique balance of bitter and sweet notes. While some compare it to molasses or dark brown sugar, its profile is deeper and smokier due to the lack of refining. You will find this versatile sweetener in many traditional Mexican dishes beyond just desserts. It is a fundamental ingredient for making authentic atole, horchata, and even specific savory mole sauces that require deep caramel tones. Its popularity extends across Latin America. Depending on the region, you might find it sold as rapadura in Colombia or canica elsewhere, but everywhere it is a beloved rustic sugar cube used for centuries. So, the next time you see a dark cone in a market, remember it is unrefined raw cane sugar. It brings a rich, complex history and a unique taste that refined sugar simply cannot replicate. This deep dive into Piloncillo shows us the value in traditional ingredients. What other hidden culinary gems from around the world should we explore next? Let me know in the comments below.